Alright.
Hey, you about ready? What we got here is a device that'll stop the oil leak in the Gulf. This is a new design for a valve. It's a bottom stop safety umbrella valve. This will pass through the well casing, like the tip on the airhead. You put it on the drill shaft and lower it straight through the casing. Once it passes through the casing, these will, right now I have them wired up because I do not have a piece of pipe the correct diameter to cut my disc to the right diameter. But as these ride on the inside wall of that casing, once they come out the bottom, it will deploy. Once it deploys, then all you have to do is pull it back up against the bottom of the well casing. This will create a seal around the disc. This disc is at a tapered angle to add stability. It's 1/2 inch, 3/16 stainless steel plate. This disc is actually bigger than what they need to stop the oil leak. Now, why hasn't someone picked this up? I've been trying to get the word out. This is the device that will stop the oil leak in the Gulf and all the rest of them that are leaking by plugging the casing itself. Unless the oil company's equipment is in use, this will keep that oil system shut down. Their equipment will have to be working in order to open this valve. All to do to open this valve is press down on it. It'll be mounted on a spring system to where unless their pressure is working, this valve will keep that well casing shut down permanently. I don't have much more to say. It works off a stored energy. This works off of springs. If you'll take a look under here, you'll see that's what deploys it. Once it comes out the casing, the spring opens it up. The springs I have on here now are not sufficient. All it needs heavier springs, but this is the actual device that will stop the leak in the Gulf. If someone would just pay attention.
You want to show them the cap?
In lines of what I'm talking about is this is the oil casing. This is the cap. As you've seen, it will fold up and pass through the casing. Once it comes out the bottom, it deploys, so you have a cap. Once it's out, you pull it back up against the bottom of the casing. That seals that well off, and unless their equipment pushes that back open to open the casing for them, this well is permanently shut down. This is a new safety device. With another mounted at the seafloor, there should not be another coffee cup of oil spilt in our waters. This should be a device deployed on all oil systems.
Yeah.
That's it.